Have you ever considered how a simple lack of attention to detail could lead to severe consequences in your professional life? The intricate dance of due care and due diligence plays a crucial role in this scenario. Commencing with due care, a term that might sound complex, but in essence it's about doing the right thing. It's taking the appropriate and reasonable steps that any prudent individual would in the same situation. It's not about being a superhero, it's about exercising caution and care in your actions. We can simplify it as doing correct. The importance of due care cannot be overstated. It ensures adherence to the standards and practices expected in a given profession or field. It's about being a responsible professional and ensuring your actions align with the expectations set by your industry or organization. On the other side of this dance is due diligence, which we can simplify as doing detect. This is where you put on your detective hat and get into the nitty-gritty of the situation. It involves a thorough investigation, understanding and contextualizing of circumstances to maintain the care effort. Due diligence is not just about collecting information, it's about making sense of it, interpreting it, and using it to inform your actions. Due diligence requires a certain level of experience and expertise to make well-informed decisions. It's the backbone that supports due care. Without due diligence, due care is like a ship without a compass, lost at sea. The implications of neglecting these two principles can be dire. Failing in due diligence, not doing your homework, can lead to missed care actions, resulting in uninformed or incorrect decisions. On the other hand, failing to perform due care is viewed as negligence, which can have severe negative implications, including legal consequences, financial losses, and damage to your reputation. To round it off, due care and due diligence are two sides of the same coin. Due diligence provides the necessary context and information required to exercise due care. They are intertwined, and failure in either can lead to serious repercussions. It's a dance of responsibility and investigation, both crucial for maintaining professional and organizational integrity. So, remember, in the dance of due care and due diligence, don't step on your partner's toes. Be prudent, be thorough, and keep the rhythm of responsibility and investigation flowing. Until next time, keep dancing and continue demystifying tech. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, consider subscribing to Demystify Tech for more insights. Stay savvy and stay safe.